Meaning of egomaniacal.
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 Egomaniacal. Egomaniacal refers to someone who is excessively self-centered and obsessed with their own importance, often to the detriment of others. This type of person may have an inflated sense of their own abilities and accomplishments, and may be overly preoccupied with their own needs and desires. As a result of their egomaniacal behavior, they may alienate those around them and become isolated from meaningful relationships. In extreme cases, egomaniacal individuals may engage in destructive or harmful behavior in order to achieve their goals, regardless of the consequences for others.